Hello everybody, my name is Joe Cavaretta and I'm the leader of Dental Whale. And whenever I talk to anybody, the most common thing people say to me is, hey, I've heard about Dental Whale, but I don't know exactly what you do. And it's pretty simple. What Dental Whale does is that we are a single source solution for all of your practice needs. What does that mean? So it means three things. The first is learning. We offer all different learning to every practice that's out there. We have Dr. Scott Luna, we have Laura Nelson, we issue CE credits, we have seminars, and we want to make sure that we have all the different levels of learning covered. The second thing that we do is we do procurement. So we have merchandise, we have equipment, we have parts, we do service equipment repair. And we always negotiate the most competitive pricing that's out there. And by the way, our service department is actually the fourth largest service department in the industry, just behind the big three, and we'll get to them a little bit later. The third thing we do, solutions. We offer solutions. So the most used solutions right now is we have marketing and we have scheduling. And the reason why we set it up that way is because we want to drive patients to the doctor's practice, and then we want to be able to schedule them, bill for them, collect for them. And the intent is to take all of the pressure off of the office and put the office's mind at ease. So you take those three of the different buckets, draw a circle around it. And we built a platform, which is powered by AI, called Orca. So anybody can go to Orca, sign in, and run their entire dental practice. And whether you're a private practice wanting to stay competitive with the consolidation that's going on there, we can help you do that. Or if you're a group practice space and you're trying to scale to the levels that you want to scale to, and you know there's a lot of pain with that, we can help you do that too. So Dental Whale has been very interesting also, and one thing I would say to everybody out there, don't go at it alone. And I just talked to you about the customer and how we help the customer. We offer those solutions to help them drive more revenue and give them peace of mind. I want to talk now about our vendor friends, our peers that are here at the Dental Festival. We built this platform to also help you. The reason why we did it is because the big three have really controlled this industry for the last 20 years. So essentially, if you have a new product, if you have a new service, you have a new solution, you have a new idea, all roads go through them. And they either take you or they don't. And the hard part about that is that once they take you, right, you can get all the exposure you want. When they don't, then you have to go at it alone. And that's not a comfortable feeling, and that's not an easy thing to do. So we built this platform as an alternative to all of you to come work with us, to come join us, and we're going to put you on this platform, and we're going to work together. We own some businesses that will help the doctor, but there's a lot of businesses that we don't own. So by working together, offering the solutions that the doctors need, we are going to grow together. And that's what this industry is about. That's what the Dental Festival is about. And that's what Elijah is always preaching to all of us. So if you know someone from Dental Whale, reach out to them now. If you don't, send me an email, send me a text, call me. We are going to pick up the phone and we're going to help you grow your business. Because when that happens, we all win. So I want to thank everybody at the Dental Festival. I want to thank everybody in this room. And I really want to thank Elijah for having Dental Whale at this event, because we are here to disrupt and change a business. And we're going to do that by giving both the customer and the vendors an alternative to how they're doing business today. Thank you.